These silicone lids for your Pyrex measuring cups are pretty cool. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of these lids for your Pyrex measuring cups. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So these are not like a completely sealing lid. Like you can see here, I have it on here. You can kind of see a little bit of a gap down into here. So if you did have something in here that you didn't necessarily want any air to get into, these aren't going to be perfect for that. But what they are nice for is when you're making things, frostings, anything where you need a little bit more time and you want to put these back in your fridge, this is going to protect everything in here when you stick it back in your fridge. I have this one turned to the side here. You can see there's a little bump here for the nozzle, and it shows you on the top where that is. And then there's also on the side here, this one that has the little tiny holes in it. So when you put it on, you can leave a gap to make it easy to pour out of. So if you have something that maybe is a little too thick and when you go to pour it, it wants to pour all down the sides, this is also gonna help guide that out. Right now I have this on my 1 cup measure and my 4 cup measure. I do also want to note, this is an anchor hocking dish, which is different than the Pyrex. They do not work on the anchor hocking dishes. They don't fit right. They're kind of in there, but they're not really in there. So I would only use these as Pyrex lids. But yeah, I like them. We're gonna use them in baking stuff. This is gonna be really nice. If you guys are looking for some lids for your Pyrex glass measuring containers, you get the 1 cup, the 2 cup, the 4 cup, and the 8 cup lids in this package. We recommend these.